Hi, I'm Mike from AMS. I'd like to tell you about one of our more popular models, our Bottle Food Machine. Very popular with operators because there's a lot of flexibility built into this machine. Starting on the outside of the machine, we have a completely ADA compliant delivery bin, which addresses all the requirements of the American Disabilities Act. We also offer a lighted braille keypad for the convenience of our customers with disabilities. The machine is capable of not only taking coins and bills, but also credit card and numerous cashless apps such as Apple Pay or Google Wallet. As we open the machine, something that's very popular with our customers is our guaranteed Sensit delivery system. And what that means is, if a product fails to fall through the top of the delivery bin, the customer can either make another selection, they can get their money back, or they can actually, there's a setting where the money is automatically refunded. So it's very popular with our customers, and AMS holds the patent for that technology. Our trays, optional dual spirals or single spiral. Very easy to remove the dividers and configure the tray however the customer would like to meet the location's needs. Very easy to snap back in. We offer scrolling prices for the convenience of the operator. So in the event that he or she would like to change prices, they don't have to go out and source new price tabs. It's just a matter of changing the scrolling prices. We start at a nickel and we go up to $20.95. Our candy trays offer alternating motors. So if a customer ever wanted to remove this divider and actually make this a snack selection, very simple to do. And our bottle trays. Our bottle trays are designed to hold 48 units of drinks, anything from water to 20-ounce sodas to 12-ounce cans. Our refrigeration system is modular, very easy to replace. It's a pull in, return, locks back in with the refrigeration cover. It's a very simple, in the event that it would need to be replaced, it's an easy task to do. One of our very popular options for our combo machines, our low temp bottle foods, is what we call the SCCD. That stands for Super Capacity Can Dispenser. This drawer takes up the real estate of a traditional bottle tray, which holds 48 units, but with 12-ounce cans allows us to offer 120 units in the same amount of real estate. It's a very popular option. It increases the capacity of a combination machine drastically. And this is called the SCCD.